The Rock Auto Restored Award is up next, and our winner here at No Problem Raceway is Barry Whitaker and his 1963 Chevy 2 Nova.
It is a rare car. It's a one-year only SS Nova convertible. It took me 3 years to find this car in original condition with the original motor, original air-cooled power glide transmission in it, and original interior.
You know, because when they came out with the Novas, they did have a convertible the very first year, but it wasn't an SS.
That's correct. The first year was a 62, was a power top model 400 convertible, and they came out in 63 was the first and only year the SS convertible.
And a lot of people say, no, wait a minute, this can't be an SS, it's got an inline six in it.
That's the biggest question I get. Everybody wants to know, well, where's the V8? Is the SS is supposed to have a V8? And V8 wasn't an option in 63, four-cylinder, 194 cubic inch, which I have, and a 230 cubic inch was the only 3 engines available. It's a 120 horsepower motor, not like my drag race car that I drag race, but it's a peppy little car.
How is it to cruise around with the top down? Do you get a lot of looks because of it being kind of a rare vehicle?
I do get a lot of looks at it. People do double takes because a lot of people have never seen a convertible Nova before.
A lot of neat things that you have got for this car over the years from Rock Auto. Tell us about some of them.
I check RockAuto first when I need something, and one of the hardest things to find was the windshield wiper blades I got from RockAuto, and they were actually aluminum windshield wiper blades and instead of the plastic ones they sell nowadays at most of the other auto parts. And Rock was one of the places that I looked and found it.
Barry Whitaker and that unique Nova are certainly deserving of the Rock Auto Restored Award here today in Cajun Country.